Model, 2013 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Cdti Lwb Genuine low mileage K9 dog van long MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 112,409. MOT, the 10th of March 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5, B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, 12 months MOT. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.